Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a question on Microsoft Forms for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, can be for work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account, and now we can go all the way to the left top corner on the screen, go to all applications, go all the way down to the bottom, explore all your applications, navigate to forms. Let's now open up a form that we created in the previous tutorial called Hello World. Let's now use the Microsoft Authenticator application to confirm the sign in. Sometimes you have to do this to verify that it's actually you who is trying to log in. Let's approve the sign in. That's been approved. Stay signed in. Don't show this again. Yes. Okay, so let's now add new, as we are trying to create a question aimed at the audience, the demographic, the customer, the client, the consumer, the ones that require our services. So choice, the question would be, do you watch my videos? We can add all, or we can actually write our own suggestions. Let's just click on add all. Let's delete the top one. So, do you watch my videos? Yes, no, maybe. Let's just change Hello World to Computer Science Videos. There you go. And so we can share this, send this to the ones that require our services and get their response. All that would be for the next tutorials, so stay tuned for that. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.